According to point number 1, according to Balagangadhara Tilak, according to Balagangadhara Tilak, Aryans came from Arctic region. Aryans came from Arctic region. But he has not provided evidence to support his theory. Number of times in public service commissions they have asked this question. Which of the following thinker proposed Aryans' original home is Arctic region? That is Balagangadhara Tilak. Next, Dayananda Saraswati, second point. Dayananda Saraswati, founder of Arya Samaj. Dayananda Saraswati, founder of Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj stated that Tibet was the original home of Aryans. Next point. Max Muller, an Indologist. Who is Indologist? Who studies about the India. So we have no Americologist or any Europeanist, but only we have a discipline called Indologist or Indology, because India has a rich diversity, and we all know that India is being called as a subcontinent. It has diversity in terms of the religion, caste, language, races and various cultures, tribes. So because of this huge diversity, a person requires his entire life to understand the India. A person has to study his entire life to understand the India. There are various branches to understand, to know about the India. That's why it is made as a separate discipline called Indology. And this man, Max Muller, he completely dedicated his entire life to study the past of the India. So here we are calling him as a Indologist. Max Muller, an Indologist, proposed Eurasian theory. According to this, Aryans were cattle headers in steppe region of Eurasia. While searching for fodder, they migrated towards east and reached Iran in 1500 BC. It can be evident from Iranian sacred scripture Jandavesta. As well as Kesatti inscription as well as Kesatti inscription. Kesatti inscription. They stayed temporarily in Iran. They stayed temporarily in Iran. Then they moved towards Afghanistan. They moved towards Afghanistan and fought with Hittite tribe. Fought with Hittite tribe in Afghanistan. Fought with Hittite tribe in Afghanistan. Hittite tribe in Afghanistan. Eventually, they concluded peace treaty. They concluded peace treaty, which was witnessed by Agni, Taras and Varuna. This information is mentioned in Bagojkoy and Mittani inscriptions. Bagojkoy and Mittani inscriptions. Bagojkoy and Mittani inscriptions. Finally, they reached northwestern parts of India and settled at Sapta Sindhu region. Within the bracket, Indus, its 5 tributaries, and Saraswati. So that's all about the original home of Aryans. When Max Muller proposed Central Asian theory, he provided with the evidence. As he provided evidence, we have to accept the Max Muller's theory. So far, we agreed that Aryans were not the native people. Who are the Aryans? Aryans were the foreigners. Then what about the Aryan religion? That is also foreign. When Aryans were the foreigners, automatically their religion is also foreign. Probably when they came into India, settled into India, their religion might have developed into a full-fledged religion.